Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to receive a payment on Payoneer. So the first thing you have to do is to go to the section that says get paid. So click on the get paid option and wait for the page to load. Now you can request a payment, or you can create a batch payment request to multiple payers. You can even send and manage your invoices, but the best thing is for you to request a payment. And you can, from this section, you can see all your payment requests that have been sent. So click on it. There's a criteria you have to pass also. I'm not sure okay, so you have to, this is I think this is from my jurisdiction, since I'm in Nigeria. So they want to establish a form of, because this amount is actually really high. So I'm supposed to receive at least 5,000 with this account, and today this is the amount I have received. So this is how to request a payment. On yours will be different. You would see a portion where you'll be able to receive a payment below. So, and you go on and click on it. But you can also send batch payment requests to multiple payers. Once you click on it, it should bring you to a page like this. Oh, this is taking longer than I anticipated. Okay, still brings you here. Obviously I had not met the minimum the criteria for me, so obviously I'm still here. So at least you've understood how to request a payment on Payoneer. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day, guys, and please, if this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.